Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GUI calculator using Python with CustomTkinter. Let's head to the video. First, we need to install CustomTkinter. Copy this in your terminal. I have already installed CustomTkinter. Okay, now we can write the code. Copy this code. Alright, this is the result. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed creating this project and learned something new today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more exciting content from AudimX Technologies. We share videos on tech, programming, and creative projects, so stay tuned for more. Feel free to leave your feedback or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and stay inspired. See you in the next video.